Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ground beef tacos. First, let's get started by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. As it cooks, use a spoon to break the beef into small, even pieces. Once it's fully browned, make sure to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step ensures your tacos are not only tasty, but also a bit healthier. Now that your beef is browned and drained, it's time to add some incredible flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning mixed directly into the skillet. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of water. Mix everything together thoroughly, ensuring the seasoning is well distributed. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened nicely. This creates that perfect taco filling. While your taco meat is simmering, let's get all your delicious toppings ready. First, warm your taco shells according to the package directions. This makes them perfectly crisp and easy to fill. Next, prepare your favorite fresh toppings. Shred some lettuce, grate your cheese, and get your salsa ready. For extra freshness, dice 1 medium onion and 2 ripe tomatoes. Having everything prepped makes assembly a breeze. It's time for the best part, assembling your tacos. Take each warm taco shell and generously fill it with your perfectly seasoned ground beef. Then, pile on all your favorite toppings: that crisp lettuce, shredded cheese, fresh diced tomatoes, and onions. Don't forget a dollop of salsa or sour cream. Enjoy your homemade tacos right away. For more great cooking tips and other deals, be sure to check out the description below this video. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.